Yeah, that's yours. That's exactly what you'll go on from here. So, hello and welcome to this special episode with the Manchester Runway Pub. I'm doing some testing with the Canon EOS R5 Mark II at the airport, doing plane photography, bit of plane spotting. It is something I've done plenty of times and do love, but I've not tried it with the Canon R5 yet, so I'll take you through the pub. It's a bit expensive, you do have to pay if you are disabled as well, but this is the pub area. Hi, good morning. You alright? Yeah, not too bad, thanks. I just don't like the cowling of the engine. Cardina, go Condor, or whatever it is, taking off now. We've got them all stacked up, ready and going. Got the Ryanair going. Takeoff wise is non-existent. I'll take you around and show you what I mean. Bang, I'm trying to get a picture of the plane comes out like that. See, absolutely responsive, and they know people come to watch the planes and take photos. Not happy with it at all, so it's literally just going to be a quick compilation of the planes land. Really disheartened me that I'll be going the aviation part from now on. Only problem with that is you don't get the feeling of it taking off the full thrust here like you can do at the airport pub. But like I said, they've absolutely spoilt it. Probably because there's some dipsticks doing stupid things near the fence and everything, but you go to Birmingham International or London Heathrow and that, I mean, you can get some better pictures than you can here in Manchester. It's almost like they don't want you doing it. Yeah, really disheartened, I'll be honest with you. Well, I do hope you enjoy the pictures of the planes landing. With that being said, it is a quick one, and as you can see, one coming in over my shoulder. Keep coming in. The Oh yeah, I just got that Ryanair then, but I do hope you enjoy the planes landing. Quick compilation of that. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.